Happy Friday, everyone. Well, still some snow around today, but we're not talking about much. We're just talking about flurries and just during the morning hours. And to be honest with you, I think only from Madison on over to the east. If you live west of Madison, I think you're already done with the snow this morning. And for everyone, it does look dry for the afternoon hours, and we will gradually see the cloud cover decrease. So most of the day is going to be mostly cloudy, but eventually once we get into the late afternoon, it does look like skies will become partly cloudy, and the cloud cover is going to be breaking up from west to east, so it'll become partly cloudy first around the Boscobel area, and it'll become partly cloudy last around Milwaukee, Racine, and Kenosha. High temperatures today, upper 20s to mid 30s, most of us in the low 30s, but it is looking breezy. Gusts 20-25 miles per hour. So when we hit these high temperatures this afternoon, look what it's going to be feeling like. About 10 degrees cooler. So for most of us, feels like temperatures only in the upper teens, low 20s this afternoon, and no warmer than the mid 20s near the lake. So this is what you need to dress for this afternoon. Now, fortunately, once the sun sets this evening, the winds are going to die down. They're not going to completely go away. We're still going to see gusts 10 to 15 miles per hour, but better than gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour. So not as much of a wind chill factor for tonight. And it does look like a quiet night. Partly cloudy skies and low temperatures. Upper teens, low 20s for most, mid 20s near the lake. Saturday, looking like a dry day as well, and it's going to be the opposite of today. Increasing cloud cover as we go through the day. So starting partly cloudy, but becoming cloudy again in the afternoon. And I think the cloud cover is going to fill in first to the west and last to the east. So we'll enjoy the partly cloudy skies the longest around Milwaukee, Racine, and Kenosha on Saturday, and it'll be the cloudiest around Viroqua and Boscobel. Temperatures look very similar to today for tomorrow. Upper 20s, low 30s, in most locations mid 30s near the lake. A little bit less wind though, gusts just 10 to 15 miles per hour, so we'll just call it a light breeze instead of a breezy day. Now, early evening hours Saturday still look dry, but beginning around 10 o'clock Saturday night, got to bring back the chance for some isolated snow showers, and right now it looks like a brief period with scattered snow shower activity around 1-2 a.m. late Saturday night. And I do like what the model is showing here with the better chance of snow to the south and east versus the north and west. So a chance of snow for everyone Saturday night, particularly around 1-2 a.m. But I think more gaps to the north and west and fewer gaps to the south and east. Again, it looks like a really brief window where we're going to have truly scattered snow showers over the area, though. It's just light to moderate snow, because look what happens when we jump to 8 a.m. Sunday morning. I think at this point it's just back to flurry activity, mainly in the eastern half of the area. And by the time we get to 11 a.m. Sunday morning, I think we'll be done with the flurries. So, when it's all said and done, how much snow are we talking about? Well, just a dusting to a half an inch, but based on the latest trends we're seeing in the models, it's more likely that we're just going to see a dusting to the north and west around Viroqua, and more likely to see those half-inch totals around the Racine Kenosha area. Most of us probably seeing a tenth or a quarter of an inch. And then we're talking about decreasing cloud cover again. So a cloudy start today with those flurries in the early morning hours, but dry by 11 a.m. Sunday. And then look at 3 o'clock Sunday afternoon. Skies becoming partly cloudy. Once again, a repeat in temperatures. Upper 20s, low 30s most common. A few reaching the mid 30s. And the least amount of wind for Sunday afternoon, winds no more than 10 miles per hour.